We're at the airport. Cheers. On the way to the cruise. I'm with my brother and my dad. Cheers. Cheers, Dad. Yes, more drinks before the airport run. Right, we're heading off to the gate now anyway. We will do a food review in this video. We are now boarding the plane. Where are they gone? That's 3. Here we go. 4 hours to go, and then we'll be heading towards the cruise. Let's go shopping, mate. Gonna buy some Hugo Boss, some Yves St. Lawrence. Fucking £2.60 for mini cheddars, yeah. I managed to get like a live track on my phone while we were at. Currently flying over the English Channel, mate. So yeah, so usually in every video I do a meal deal. So we did have the toast there, it's really good. I've got to get a video. Got some Haribos. How's it? It weren't shit at all. Got some Haribos. Haribos are alright. Nice. These are different ones, these ain't normal Haribos, are they? Then we've got to put a Copperberg and a bit of Marella. Yes, we made it. We're finally here in, where are we? Tenerife, Lanzarote, Gran Canaria.
That's not my fault.
We're just going to the boat now to tell you. Wow, this is mental. It's what we're getting on. That's the cruise. Look at the size of this. This is what I'll be staying on for the next 7 days. If you tune in every day, we'll show you a bit more. Wow, look at this, guys. This is insane. Boys, we made it. Look at this. Gran Canaria today. Tomorrow, Lanzarote. Look at this scran, guys. Bang. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Currently on a cruise in, I think we're in Lanzarote in a minute. On a 7-day cruise. We're back in Leicester on my bike next week. But this week you get to see the cruise. So I'm going to do a little video of the whole cruise today, and then we're going to go do some food reviews. Alright, I know how to play golf. How am I going to get that in there? All in one. Get out of this fucking seal, mate. No, yeah, so I want to eat. What are you doing? Absolutely not bad.
You tip backwards.
Dad, what did you go stand over there?
Where's that? That's on hole 18.
It's in. It's in. Oh. This is actually mental. I hate heights as well. Look at all the volcanoes in the background. Mental. Anyway, we can do a tour of the... Go in. Ah. We nearly own gold it. Look at this, lads. Playing crossbar challenge on the roof of the ship. We're in Lanzarote. Oh. Let's go. Oh, I went after Dad. Is it? Right, I'm going to do a left foot, doggy life, crossbar challenge. You want to do it? What are you looking at? Got a scrap? Got a scrap? Where are we going? So, we are heading into like the main food court now. Where are we going to get some nachos? So yeah, usually these are all filled with different foods. This is just one of the restaurants. How many restaurants is there? 12? 18 restaurants. Try away, let me get some. There you go. Give me some. You've robbed them all. A nacho joke. I'm a nacho friend. No. Where'd you have from? What's it, Chile? It's nice that, mate. Oh yes. Got some cheese on there now as well. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Please subscribe, like, comment. We're currently out at sea for the day. Oh, they look nice, don't they? So this is the nightclub. It's open late at night. We're back again on the booze. It might be alright still. Sausage rolls though. They're nice to be fair.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh yes. Rake some ham and cheese there, nice.
Yeah.
Might get some.
Afternoon, you're alright.
Let's go. What are you getting in here? What are you going for? What's that?
What?
Where you going?
I'm gonna get a couple of scones.
Scones? Scone? Alright, let's do a little fucking taste test with this. So we got meatball Mariana. Oh. 3 out of 10 for that, it's not amazing sauce. It's great. We're off to Gibraltar, aren't we, tomorrow? We're going to see some monkeys, hopefully I don't get robbed.
Let's have a look where you are.
You want GT, yeah?
That's the last time. There we are.
Oh, so we're near Malaga.
Yeah, we're just round.
Zoom in a bit. So we're going to go through that gap, that's where Gibraltar is there, isn't it?
Gibraltar's there, yeah. So we're just round the edge of Malaga at the minute.
Let's try this one then. Let's have a go. I don't know.
It's
Close, yeah?
That
No.
the same.
That's fine, mate, don't worry. Still working. Let's get some rosé. Get some fucking rosé, mate. And the arch. But, recording you now. I'm recording you.
I've seen them. They're all getting.
Guys, we're gonna get some food. Right for dinner. And then let's get on the beers, mate. You know what I mean? I'm feeling a bit tipsy again. Yeah, none of these ain't been the same as my usual videos, but I'm enjoying myself, so. Anyway, go hit that subscribe button, guys. Keep it going. Come on, guys. We can do this. Let's hit 1,000 subs. Let's go do it.
Top one.
I did call medium well. Medium well, sour Lord.
Medium well, medium well. It's
All
good,
these
it's
chips.
good, it's good. You can have that 3 times done, 3 times done. You listening? 3 times done.
There's a bit hungry though. And I want to do East Wellington. Let's give it a go. Go taste for the sauce.
It's special, it's special.
Little food test.
It's proper. You're in that 8 hours back at time now, no more.
And the last part. Really good that. Hello doggy. Hello doggy. Gibraltar. This is mental. Hopefully we get a Gibraltar video today. Maybe do a little food review. I think apparently there's Wetherspoons and Morrison's on here. We have everything really. It's basically Britain, isn't it? What's that?
That's the world's largest sailing ship
What in the world?
in the world.
That's mad, isn't it? And this, we are on Gibraltar, guys. Look at this. There's the boat we've been living on. We've been at sea for like 40 hours. But yeah, just heading up towards customs now. Don't know where it is. Gibraltar.
Okay? Yeah. Need to ask any questions, just tell me to be quiet and answer. Okay? It's free and just the man reaching his family, okay? And I will tell you about the place after the evening.
Yeah.
It's only 14 and a half minutes away.
Wow.
Widespread.
Look at the monkeys. Oh, look at me, I'm in a cave. Get out of my cave. Do you reckon there's a monkey up there? No monkeys in here, is there? If I was a monkey, I'd sleep now. Look at that, that's mental. That's actually an angel. There's its arms, or wings. There's its head, isn't it? Legs. Is that what? Pimp side. It tastes like pimp side.
The light show.
Oh, that's well nice. Oh my god. Oh, I hate heights. This is very scary for me. Oh, we're on the top of Gibraltar. How mental is that? Considering I hate heights, I think we're doing quite well here, guys. So make sure you subscribe, innit?
The road going through the middle for pedestrians. And at the end of the road, where you see the canopies,
Oh,
that is the land border with Spain.
that's mental.
And that is Spain.
It's So what, people walk across the runway?
They do. Yeah.
That's mad. Alright, we're going to split the gym in Gibraltar. Bang on. Bang on. We are currently in Malaga. Look at that view, wow. Oh look, we found a riffraff. Yeah, good. Wow. What? Let's go, look at that, it's grand.
It's your charter.
Well, it's quite a nice place.
Malaga. Imagine being on that right now. This is pretty mad, this. Right guys. This is Malaga Cathedral. Wow, look at this. So, what's up? Not levitating that. Gina. Oh, okay. Oh, I'll let you off. This is nice. Wow, look at that organ. Well, that's pretty grim. What's he done? Chopped the head off? Look at that. Where? Where is it? Wow. This, we've made it to the Spanish McDonald's. That's a first, isn't it? McDonald's doing croissants and cookies. And... We've got beer on here.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back on the boat. We've got some food on today. Alright, we're going to just have some lunch now. It's fast to have a Guinness. Go on, Sad.
Now it's called February. That is very nice.
Everyone who's been tuning in so far this cruise, we're nearly at the end of it now, so get back on the bike videos in a few days' time. This is a good bar. I like this bar, to be fair. Huh? Oh, was it? What do you reckon, Mike? All in one?
4 for me.
4.
Oh, yeah.
How the fuck am I going to get that? Bet this goes out of bounds, Mike. Good shot. Go on then, crossbar challenge, see if you got it. Oh, it's a crossbar challenge, see if you got it. Yes, let's go, boys and gals. Wow, look at the sea. I've never seen sea so smooth. There's literally no waves. That's mental. These are obviously... Huh? What for? Sure, Dad. Do you get dolphins in there? We are at sea. It's the last full day we've got. This is every day I'm trying to build a bit more of a following. So this is one of the bars. Help yourself to something like these. We got hot dog and chips and an iron brew. So this is the exchange. You pay extra for this, don't you?
Yeah, 20 quid.
Yeah. Everyone gets their own phone to bring orders through as well. That's the exchange anyway. Now we're heading over to the shops. Hello, doggy. There's the coffee house here. Here's the cinema room. Dad, we just locked yourself in. Mad, isn't it? Massive. What's that? 2. How's it moving? So this bit is the gym bar. So this is the gym bar here, isn't it, Dad? You've got surf and turf steakhouse here. We've got a little video of that. Got a champagne bar down here. Heading over to the Squid and Anchor now. That's cool. This is the sushi bar which you have to pay for. You probably came yesterday. Short in it, yeah. Oh no, yeah, that's where we ate in yesterday's video, the other day's video. The art house. Walking through here now. Breads, ice cream, all different puddings on here. They look alright, don't they? Yeah. Oh, bang. This is the gravy boat and all like roast dinners and stuff. Here we go. Another little food review. bananas, I will give it thumbs up. A restaurant as well. This is Abdullah's. It's the fun. Which is one of my favourite bars. This is the pool area. Look at this. Oh, you got a little bit of chocolate sauce. His problem on this boat as well is you can't find anyone. Oh, here they are. Oh, what's in the pie? Nice. So we've gone for the ultimate pina colada. This is my first drink. We go for the pineapple plantation next. That's beautiful. We're going for the Calic margarita now. There we go. Calic margarita, classic mojito. Let's give it a go. That's really, really refreshing. That's nice. But pepper and cheese. We've got prawns, we've got bread, we've got arancini. What have you gone for?
Haggis.
Haggis, snoops and tatties.
And prawn and lean pork.
What have you got, Brody? Yeah. That was banging. What is it? What's it called?
Lobster thermidor.
Palma, Menorca. I think I could have found worse places to have a little nap. But we can have a nap on here. There's the cathedral up there, I think. That must be the cathedral where we're going to head over to later. And I found a little nice little napping spot. So we're headed into New York now. And look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. We're just going over to the cathedral and sat. Ruben Dario. Anyone knows who that is? Leave a comment. What is it? Just a twig. All the crocodiles in there. It's not real, obviously, is it? What's that? Skins? That's a first. If that's a real crocodile, then that's mad. How's it get in there? Running straight into you. Kings, watch back. Yeah, that ran you over. Look at this place, man. Wow. That was well old. That's actually mental, isn't it? It's definitely probably one of the best ones I've been to, yeah. Guys, if you've been watching every day, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give it a like, give it a comment. Sunflower sees the camera. Look at this fucking crocodile, mate. Look, there's a crocodile. That's mad. Yeah, that's clear, isn't it? Back to the boat, and then halfway we get picked up to the airport. Wow, look at this food, chow mein, sweet and sour pork, rice. That's mad.
When we were playing football, if the roof had been up there, they would have been laughing the fucking head off of you.
Why? Because I've scarred it down here, but it hit someone in the head. I've never seen it with a roof off before. I've seen it with a roof off before. Last couple of cocktails. We are now on the coach on the way home. Just like that, we're in duty free. Just like that, the trip is finished. We are back in Birmingham. So yeah, tune in tomorrow guys for another video. I should be back on my bike. Thanks for watching in the last few days. Please subscribe, like, comment. Cheers everyone.